and Mia.
And our special guest, Riri, she's been rocking with us most of the days. And today is day 8.
And today we're going to be telling you guys our favorite Christmas songs.
Let's get started.
Mia, what's your favorite Christmas song?
Mariah Carey's All I Want for Christmas Is You.
And why?
Because I like her outfit and her voice.
Okay, you mean outfits in the video?
Yeah.
Yeah, that outfit was cute. I agree with you on that.
Now, Riri, what's your favorite Christmas song?
My favorite Christmas song is Santa Baby.
Santa Baby by Eartha Kitt. Okay, why do you like Santa Baby? I like that song too.
Because she has a beautiful dress and her voice.
Wait a minute, talk about a beautiful dress. That's an old song that don't have a video. So you talking about she had a beautiful dress on the picture on YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh,
She had
okay.
a beautiful dress on the picture on YouTube, and she had beautiful voice.
That's the same thing Mia said, but it was something else you told me earlier you liked about the song. What else? Do you remember?
I think she said.
Don't help her. She can do it herself. Look up. So
And
tell us why you like it. The thing she said, like what? Come on, Riri.
I think she said.
What's the favorite thing, your favorite thing that she said? You didn't forgot. What's your favorite part?
My favorite part when she said Santa Baby.
You said it was another favorite part. You didn't forgot what you said?
Okay, can I have my comment?
Wait a minute. Hold on. You forgot what you said?
Ah, Riri.
You said, I'll say what she said. You said that you especially like the part when she said she want a fur coat and a convertible, the drop top. Remember you said that?
Yeah.
Okay, well say it. Say it. Look up.
She asked for a
Fur coat.
fur coat and a convertible, which is a drop top. And I'm gonna say what a drop top is. It's like a car that when the roof comes up.
Oh, you are so smart. It reminds me of, side note, drip drop top Migos. She's trying to give you a high five.
And my grandpa has a drop top.
Oh, that's a good
too.
connection. He just did buy a drop top.
And-
You're right.
And
Okay.
my uncle gave my grandpa a drop top, which is not my grandpa.
Yeah, he didn't give. He sold it to him.
I know.
But I know what you mean. That's a good connection. Good job. All right. Oh, and Miss Mia has a comment about Santa Baby by Eartha Kitt. What's your comment?
My comment, some people might not agree with this, but she's asking for last step. I mean, it's like a gold digger song.
Do you agree with that?
Because she asked for a yacht, a drop top,
A ring.
fur coat, a ring.
Yeah, she asking for a lot. You agree with that?
A deed.
Deed
And a
to a
boat.
house.
A
Yeah,
boat.
we said
A
a boat. A yacht is a boat. So you think she sound like a gold digger to you too? Mia?
Yeah, a little.
You think so? Wait. You would shake your head no. You say no, Riri. She don't sound like a sit up. She don't sound like a gold digger to you, or she does?
She does
Look
not.
Look at you. Say she does not.
Yeah,
I agree, because people don't understand. In the song, she calling her man Santa Baby, because he buying her stuff like Santa. Her man's supposed to step like that. He's supposed to apply pressure and buy her all those things. So I don't think she sound like a gold digger, but unpopular opinion.
Is he rich?
You said, is he rich?
He must be a billionaire. A yacht. A fur coat.
Perhaps. Maybe just a
A
millionaire.
A ring.
All that stuff costs like
A drop top. At least.
all that
A
stuff
little
costs
bit
like $1
to
billion.
a drop top. At least 2,000.
Girl, millions, not thousands.
That all our
Try
stuff
that
has to
again.
cost
And
at
maybe
least $1 billion.
Bill.
So that's why it needs to be a billion.
Okay, y'all cannot talk at the same time. Wait, Riri, go ahead. What were you saying?
All that stuff costs like $1 billion, so he at least needs to be a billionaire.
Go ahead, Riri. What were you saying?
It was it can be like almost looks like 131.
Million?
Yeah.
Okay, wow. Your choice have the people talking. Everybody got something to say about Miss Eartha Kitt, but hey, I'm with it. If your man can step like that and buy you that stuff, I say ask, but that's just me. Okay, so Nia, what's your favorite Christmas song?
My favorite Christmas song is This Christmas, originally by Donny Hathaway, but I like Chris Brown's version better.
And why do you like Chris Brown's version better?
Bob also said this, that when people redo it, she doesn't really like it. But in Chris Brown's version, I like how he included everything and like how he was bringing joy, like kind of like how Santa does.
You're talking about in the video?
Yeah.
Okay.
We also watched the movie too.
This Christmas. And if y'all remember from 2 years ago when we did Vlogmas in 2021, we said, or y'all said, that This Christmas was one of y'all favorite Christmas movies. So y'all like the song and the movie. Yeah, I like Chris Brown too. So, but I forgot to say, Donny Hathaway was a Howard alum. He didn't graduate because he became famous became a famous singer, but much love to Donny Hathaway. I love my Howard people, and he's a good singer.
So, Mom, what's your favorite Christmas song?
So my favorite Christmas song is, and it's an old song just like Santa Baby, not quite as old, but Stevie Wonder, Someday at Christmas. I really like that song because he's talking about, you know, someday at Christmas we'll all be free and we'll all have joy and we'll all like get along and just live like in a peaceful world. So I like the message behind it. And of course, Stevie is a legend. I love his voice. So that's my favorite Christmas song.
I just have one comment about it.
What is it?
When you said bring peace to the world, why at the beginning of the song he talks about bombs? Kids play with bombs instead of toys.
Okay, that's a good question. Nia, the reason he's saying that because he's comparing how the world is now to how he wants it to be. He says someday at Christmas there'll be no wars and there'll be peace. So he's comparing how it's war now, but someday at Christmas it'll be peaceful. So I think you need to listen to it a few more times. So does anybody have any last words? Anything that they want to add? Okay, Riri, what do you want to add?
I want to ask that.
No, not ask. Add.
I want to add
Mm-hmm.
that the finishing touch to my
Finishing touch?
finishing touch to my song.
What's the finishing touch?
That I love it.
Good
That's
job.
the finishing touch.
I love that you love it. And Mia, what's yours?
Well, I just want to give a shout out to all our subscribers watching our video. I just want to know though, we are so thankful for you guys.
Oh,
We hope
so
that more
sweet.
of you subscribe.
Oh,
because
yes.
We're trying to get this money.
So, some money, dripping of some money, yeah, drop some money.
What are you talking
Some money,
about?
Thank you guys for subscribing.
Oh, that's a song I don't know.
Money, yeah.
Okay, I don't know that song. Who sang that?
Blackpink.
Blackpink. I don't know who that is. Okay.
Um,
I thought she was trying to say dripping in finesse. That's what I thought she was trying to sing. Okay, any other last words, comments? All
I
right.
got some money.
Oh, something else? Okay, Riri, you with the last words. What else, sweetie?
I hope a million of you guys know us and subscribe and love our video.
Oh, so adorable.
Yeah,
The
you
video.
guys just subscribe. Make sure you do it.
Okay.
Yeah, make sure you don't miss it.
Okay.
Like this.
All
yeah,
right.
because some people don't know us and they miss it.
Okay. All right.
Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we post a new video. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.